Today's meeting, we have held our 44th AGM in Thumaita, and it was a wonderful AGM because farmers are happy. Because if you look at the last 3 AGMs that we have held since we came to office, the first AGM we had paid farmers a bonus of 21 shillings. The second AGM we had paid farmers a bonus of 92.2 shillings. This AGM we paid farmers a bonus of 45 shillings. So because of that trend of upwards projection, farmers are happy and they are ready now to embrace this business. But going back like 5 years, if you remember, even if you go back to the news, you'll see that farmers of Thumaita have been for the past agitated because of the downward trend of the returns, especially in bonus. Because if you remember in 2016, the same factory paid bonus of 45 shillings. But from then, since to 2021, the bonus has been coming down. So we have changed the trend. We are very happy that the trend now is on upwards. And the other thing that we have promised our farmers, and because we have paid most of the loans that they were due to them, since we came in, it was around 220 million. Now we are remaining with 17.5. We have promised them that during their pay of mini bonus, that since it was initiated by KTDA, they have been receiving 5 shillings. So this time around, they will receive 10 shillings because the factory foundation is going back to where it is supposed to. So it is very nice because farmers from Thumaita will start, actually they have already started enjoying the fruit of their labor. But we shall continue as the directors and management to make sure that their sweat is well paid for.